Let's discover the assembly of Kross trailer axle. Seamless tubes are single-piece beams made from high-tensile material. The beam is attached to the spindle using a pressing technique. And the spindle beam is secured by robotic welding. Kross uses the highest quality bearings in its axles. Each bearing is greased with lithium complex grease, which has a lifespan of 1.5 years. 3-piece wheel seal Kross bearings last longer and providing our customers with lower axle maintenance costs. Next, we perform the tire correction of the axle beam. Ensures the straighten of axle beam. The axle beam is coated with anti-rust treatment before being taken to the main assembly, where components such as the S-shaft, brake shoe, hub, and spindle cap are all assembled.
Kross Limited, to be the customer's first choice.